White text reads Teeval, Ben-Varrey Namara. A long time ago, there was a handsome, brave and young man in the court of the King of Ulster in Ireland. His name was Conchubar. Conchubar wanted to be a king himself, but he owned nothing but the sword in his hand. So he went to see the druid of Culain to find out what he should do. Go to the Isle of Man, said the druid. Get a sword, a spear and a shield made by Culain, the smith of the gods, who lives there. So Conchubar sailed over the sea to the Isle of Man and asked for these things from the great blacksmith. The blacksmith said, "Okay, but it'll take a while." "No worries," said Conchubar. "I'll wait." And he did so, while strolling around the island. One morning he was walking on the shore at sunrise when he saw a mermaid who was asleep on the sand. She was so beautiful. Her hair, her cheeks, her lips, everything about her was beautiful. Conchubar felt love in his heart. He knew that she would be away to the sea when she awoke, and he was terribly sad thinking of it. So he tied her up with rope, and she wasn't able to run away. A bit weird, but Conchubar was like that. After a while, she awoke and said, "You tied me up with rope." "That's weird." Sorry. I won't accept your apology. Let me go." "Who are you?" "I'm Teeval, Princess of the Ocean." "Wow." "Let me go," she said, "and I'll give you a gift." "Okay," said Conchubar. "But I'll do that because you asked me, not because of your promise of a gift." Free again, Teeval slipped into the waves and then called out her instructions for him. "Go and tell Culain to put my name and a picture of me on the shield he's making for you." He said, "Okay. And with that shield you'll win all your battles." Wonderful. Then she disappeared into the sea, and Conchubar went to ask the blacksmith to put the mermaid's name and picture on the shield. When it was done, it looked ace. And on this, Conchubar returned to Ireland. There he looked at Teeval's face on his shield and called out, "Help me, Teeval." After this, all the strength of his enemies flowed into Conchubar. With this strength, he went on to win many battles and gained a great kingdom. And all of this, thanks to the gift he received from Teeval, Princess of the Ocean. Teeval, Teeval, Princess of the Ocean. Currently Irish Olivia as Nora, their house and Kiara's feed, presented by Olivia and Nora 2024.